Hello everybody, hope you're doing well. Today we're making a mug cake. Here are the ingredients. 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. 2 tablespoons of sugar. 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. We don't have baking powder, but don't worry because we have baking soda and vinegar. A pinch of salt. 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, 3 tablespoons of milk, a few chocolate chips, some vanilla essence. Now let's start making the mug cake. Put all-purpose flour inside of the mug. Next, put sugar into the mug. Next, put cocoa powder. Then put baking soda into the mug and then vinegar. Add a pinch of salt into the mug. Now mix it well with a fork. Now put 3 tablespoons of milk. Now put 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. Now mix it for some time. Mix it well until you see it like this. Now add a few of chocolate chips. Mix it well again. Once you mix it well, put it in the oven for a minute. After a minute, you will see a nice big cake. Please be careful because the mug is very hot. Thank you and enjoy the cake.